Have you ever wondered how the food you eat affects your brain? From your mood to your memory, and even how alert or tired you feel. Everything is connected to what's on your plate. Let's take a closer look at what your brain is really made of and how your daily diet shapes its performance. If you removed all the water from your brain and analyzed its nutritional makeup, you'd find that most of its dry weight is made up of fats or lipids. What's left would include proteins, amino acids, glucose, and tiny amounts of micronutrients. While the brain is far more complex than its nutritional content, each of these components plays a vital role in its development, energy levels, mood, and overall function. So that sleepy feeling after lunch or sudden alertness late at night could be your food choices at work. Among the brain's fats, omega 3 and omega 6 fatty acids are the most important. These essential fats, known for their role in protecting against brain deterioration, must be supplied by the food we eat. That's why consuming foods rich in omegas, such as fatty fish, seeds, and nuts, is important for building and maintaining brain cell membranes. In contrast, regularly eating trans and saturated fats may harm brain health over time. Proteins and amino acids, which support growth and repair, also shape how we think and feel. Amino acids are needed to produce neurotransmitters, the chemicals that transmit signals between brain cells, influencing things like mood, focus, sleep, and even body weight. For example, we might feel relaxed after eating a carb heavy meal like pasta, or more focused after eating something high in protein. Food's complex mix of nutrients can trigger the brain to release mood related chemicals like dopamine, serotonin, and norepinephrine. However, it's not easy for these chemicals to reach the brain, and amino acids must compete for access. A well rounded diet helps balance these brain messengers and keeps mood and focus stable. Just like other organs, the brain also needs consistent intake of micronutrients. Antioxidants found in fruits and vegetables help protect the brain from cell damage caused by free radicals, which supports long term brain function. Vitamins such as B6, B12, and folic acid are essential for protecting the brain from decline and disease. Small amounts of minerals like iron, copper, zinc, and sodium are also key to brain development and health. For the brain to use these nutrients effectively, it needs a constant supply of fuel. Although the brain is only about 2% of our total body weight, it consumes up to 20% of our energy, mainly from glucose, which comes from digesting carbohydrates. The frontal lobes, in particular, are sensitive to drops in glucose levels, and poor mental performance is often an early sign of low nutrient intake. But the kind of carbs we consume matters. Carbohydrates fall into three categories: sugar, fiber, and starch. Even though nutrition labels list them together, their individual impact differs. Foods high on the glycemic index, like white bread, release glucose quickly, followed by a sudden drop in blood sugar, which can lower mood and attention. Slower releasing foods, such as legumes, oats, and whole grains, help maintain steady energy and focus. To keep your brain working at its best, eating a balanced diet full of varied, nutrient dense foods is key. Every bite you take has a direct, lasting effect on your brain, the body's most powerful organ. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on health and wellness. Until next time, take care of your brain, one meal at a time.